These last 6 months have been quite extraordinary in many levels. We are approaching that phase where everyone is going back to work, or many of us are going back to the office, children going back to school, a kind of sense of normality coming back, and we just take a few moments to reflect on what has happened, what changed in the ways we approach work, in the way we work with teams and work remotely. There are so many challenges that I found in my way during COVID specifically. I had to take a lot of pay cuts to start with. I taken very short-term contracts, very unstable contracts with new teams, with new technologies that I never work with, and new people, of course. But that was already uh, an established thing for me, trying to learn fast and adapt quickly. What has been the difference this time is that it has been accelerated to the extreme. I was kind of in a comfortable situation for the past 24 months prior to COVID, and that has pushed me out of my comfort zone. And sometimes that's really good, and sometimes that's what we miss. Something or someone that pushes us outside of our boundaries where we are more comfortable working. But I was really positive. As I said, I've learned so many new things that now my confidence has grown even more, and I think I can take on any sort of project. My skills have expanded as well, so that's really positive. I'm really confident with more tech stacks, and I've seen new different ways of working that before I was more in my bubble, if you like, and that is really valuable lesson. The most important thing I think is still in process, and is still how to express ourselves and how to communicate remotely effectively, how to continuously keep in communication with the team. And I think that is a challenge for everyone, but it doesn't have to be hard, especially if you're in a good team with people you trust, and people with the same kind of expertise. That comes very nice. So I'd say the most important thing at the end of the day is just to get better as a person, as a professional, every time, even if it's a bad experience. Just trying to take the time to understand what has gone wrong, what has gone well, and just learn from it, from every single experience. That there's no trick. It's just a learning process, and it's just about getting better. And many of us just think it's about languages, about learning a new framework, learning a new language, but it's not. It's not at all. Being successful in the IT sector is not about just knowing the language. It's being part of a team, being positive, and try to build something user-like, especially, and meet expectation, and that make you feel good about what you've done, especially about building software and quality software. So I hope this was useful, and I hope you can actually reflect on what you've done as well in the past 6 months, and share that experience in the comment below. Let me know, and see you soon.